Hi everyone, welcome to another video. We are going to learn about Bill Gates' life in easy way, perfect for English learner through story. Bill Gates was born in 1955 in Seattle, USA. From a very young age, he was curious and loved to learn new things. His parents encouraged education and hard work. Bill was a quiet child, but his mind was always active. When he was in school, he discovered computers for the first time. At that time, computers were very big, slow, and expensive. Most people had never seen one before. But when Bill saw a computer, he felt something special. He spent many hours learning how it worked. While other children were playing outside, Bill was writing simple computer programs. He was not thinking about money or success. He was only following his curiosity. When Bill was a teenager, he met another student named Paul Allen. Paul also loved computers. They became close friends because they shared the same passion. Together they spent long nights programming and learning. Sometimes they made mistakes, but they never gave up. Bill believed that computers would change the world one day, even when others did not understand him. Many people thought computers were only for scientists and big companies. But Bill imagined a future where every home would have a computer. Bill Gates went to Harvard University, one of the best universities in the world. His parents were proud and hoped he would become a lawyer or professor. However, Bill's heart was still with computers. While studying at Harvard, he continued working on software with Paul Allen. One day, they heard about a new personal computer that needed software. Bill saw this as a big opportunity. He made a very brave decision. He left Harvard before finishing his degree. Many people thought this was a mistake. Leaving such a famous university was risky. But Bill trusted his vision and believed in his dream. In 1975, Bill Gates and Paul Allen started a small company called Microsoft. At first, the company was very small. They worked in a tiny office and faced many problems. They worked day and night, writing code and fixing errors. There were times when they felt tired and worried. Sometimes they did not know if the company would survive. But Bill never stopped believing. He was strict about quality and expected the best from himself and his team. He believed that good software could change people's lives. Microsoft's big success came when they created an operating system for personal computers. This software was called Windows. It was designed to be easy to use, even for people who did not understand computers. Slowly, Windows became popular around the world. More and more people started using computers at home, in schools, and in offices. Microsoft grew very fast. Bill Gates became one of the youngest billionaires in the world. However, he did not celebrate too much. He continued working hard and focused on improving technology. As Microsoft became more powerful, Bill Gates also faced criticism and challenges. Some people said his company was too strong. There were legal battles and public pressure. These times were difficult. Bill had to learn how to handle success, responsibility, and criticism. He made mistakes, but he learned from them. Instead of giving up, he improved himself as a leader. He understood that success is not always easy and that every journey has problems. Later in life, Bill Gates decided to change his focus. He realized that money and success were not enough. He wanted to help people and make the world better. Along with his wife, Melinda, he started the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The foundation works to improve healthcare, education, and living conditions around the world. Bill donated a large part of his wealth to help poor communities, fight diseases, and support education. He believed that those who are lucky have a responsibility to help others. Today, Bill Gates is known not only as a successful businessman, but also as a philanthropist. His life teaches us many lessons. He followed his passion, took risks, worked hard, and never stopped learning. He showed that failure is part of success and that true success is not just about money, but about making a positive difference in the world. Bill Gates' story inspires millions of people to dream big, stay focused, and use their skills to help others. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to the channel for more English learning stories. Keep listening, keep practicing, and remember, every great success begins with a small step.